Hey guys, I'm going to be unboxing this Logitech wireless keyboard for you. Okay, to start out, I want to explain why I got this keyboard. If you've seen some of my videos, you know I've mentioned Slickdeals before, and that's mainly why I got this keyboard. I mean, I kind of wanted, as you know, this keyboard has a trackpad right here, and that's cool because, you know, if you've seen my videos, I have a projector, and then I can use this keyboard to control on the projector wirelessly and such like that, and have a mouse as well, like this. If I don't feel like using a mouse, I can just sit in bed and use that. But then this retail price is $40 for this specific item. I probably would not normally pay $40 for this because I already have, for me specifically, I already had this keyboard that we got for like free or cheap, or I don't know how I got it. An Apple keyboard, and it worked just fine with Bluetooth. But obviously it had its flaws and had to set it up and stuff like that. But luckily on Staples, I'm gonna get this video, see if I can get it uploaded tonight. It'll be the 26th. Their deal ends the 28th of July 2012 when this was uploaded. And if you can get the deal, I will put the link in Slickdeals to what I got this for. Staples had an in-store only $25 off $40 or more coupon, so I got $25 off this. But not only that, I price matched it to their Staples online, so that was first I price matched it, went from $40 to $30. This was $30, and then I used the coupon to drop off another $25, so that brought it down to $5. And then I had another coupon, $5 off $30 or more. That would drop off, yeah, that would make it free pretty much. The problem I had, it was 1 cent on their $30. So I bought the pack of Tic Tacs, and so for like $1.60 or something like that, I was able to get a $40 keyboard and some Tic Tacs for $1.60. So that was pretty cool. And that's not, those two coupons could use pretty much on any Logitech item, and that $5 on any Staples item over $30 pretty much. I'm not sure why the coupons are accepted, but it was cool. They shouldn't be, and they shouldn't also be combined. It's just Staples policy, I guess, to be able to do that, which is pretty cool. To get to the actual unboxing part, for those who just want to see that, get this too. Me and my friend actually both got one he actually got a little bit cheaper. He actually got it, that was off the top of my head. They go, oh, I go buy some candy to go get food. So it's like, I mean, to go get it for free instead of $5. So I was like, okay, well, what should I get? And so my friend and I both got one. He got it for like 20 cents cheaper because he got a Reese's instead of Tic Tacs. Anyways, because I've already unboxed it, so I know what's in here. It comes with actually an extension, which is really useful if you're in the back of your computer. And this little adapter is what it comes with, to the nano adapter. And that's a pain, as if you've had these before, to unplug from the back of a desktop. So what you can do is just plug this into the back here, just like that, and just plug this piece in, and it just extends the USB port, so you don't have to like be able to grip on the disc to take it out like that. And get the other piece taken out of the box here. Pretty much just instructions, kind of show you what the buttons do. I'll explain what they do. I've already messed around with my friend's keyboard. I just wanted to keep it in the box to a clean unboxing for you. But yeah, you didn't see, you know, like instructions and like setup guidance, stuff like that. You can also download software offline. They have all enhanced like features, but it's not really necessary. I just plugged it in and it worked just fine into a Windows 7 computer. Okay, to explain the buttons, this is just a texture on the trackpad, and the trackpad's multi-touch. I don't know if they're hacks for it, but there's 2-finger scrolling that's actually pretty smooth. Not as smooth as the Mac, but much smoother than like my laptop that has 2-finger scrolling. and then it's 2 fingers side to side, and that's it for scrolling. You can't do just a single finger. It's just 2 finger this way or this way. You have left and right mouse button on that side. Keys, they're like a smaller laptop. Obviously they're smaller keys, but no big deal. They're easy to type on, I'd say. Very useful, as always. Home button, I guess, to go to a home web browser. I think that's all that's ready for. Your volume keys, as always. And this, which the only thing I've found this used for, is a left mouse button. So if you wanted to hold it like this, you could web browse with your right finger, and you could click with the left hand. And I guess you could use it like that if you want, but then you can't really scroll. I wish if you could scroll like that, it'd be perfect, but you have to scroll like this. So maybe you can figure it out, but that's what I found it to be used for. And now right here, it does come with batteries, so I even got 2 AA batteries for free, or kind of for free. 2 AA's. Just pull out these tabs. Let's put the batteries back in. And then actually, in the back right here, you can store this nano receiver. You can't store the other piece, unfortunately. I wish you could do that, but you can fit this nano piece right in here. If it'll go. Ow. Yep. Right, just like that. Snap it. And the cool thing is, this has an on and off button right here, or a switch. So it's actually on right now. I can turn it off, and then you won't waste battery. I think it's supposed to have like a 12-month battery, just like that. That's been an unboxing of the K400 Logitech touchpad keyboard. If you have any questions, please comment below and subscribe. Thanks for watching.